Hi, I'm Martin Kerrigan, Fire Safety Assurance Manager here at the City of Lincoln Council, and this is a fire safety video for our residents on the importance of fire doors and keeping your communal areas clear. Flats that open into communal areas, such as our high-rise and low-rise flats, along with our supported housing schemes, are required to have flat entrance doors that can withstand the spread of fire and smoke for at least 30 minutes, helping to keep the communal escape routes clear. If there is a fire in your flat, it is important that your flat entrance fire door closes behind you so that smoke and fire do not spread into the corridors. The fire doors should be kept shut when not in use, and the self-closing device should not be disabled or tampered with, as this could affect the door's functionality. Do not replace parts of a door or add any new parts to it, such as installing letterboxes or additional locks. For the fire door and door set for itself to be effective, all parts of the fire door must be working properly. This includes the frame, glazing if present, hinges, letterbox and handles. Any faults or damage should be reported to the council immediately for inspection and the necessary repairs. To help reduce the risk of arson in the communal areas, the communal entry and exit doors must be kept shut and locked to prevent unauthorised persons gaining access. To ensure your safety and that of your neighbours, we will be inspecting all fire doors, including those of leaseholder properties, in our 3 high-rise tower blocks, such as Trent View, Jarvis House and Shuttleworth House. These inspections will be undertaken annually to the flat front doors and quarterly to our communal fire doors. We will write to you and let you know when this inspection is taking place. Please provide us access to the property to complete this important safety inspection. You can help us to keep you safe by inspecting our own front door regularly. We would recommend monthly, and ask yourselves the following questions. Is there any signs of damage to the door or the door frame? Is the self-closing device damaged or broken? If working properly, the door should close fully into the frame and the door should latch into the frame without the need to push it. If the door has glass, is this broken or cracked? Is the beading around the door damaged? Is the letter plate damaged or missing? Are the hinges loose or damaged? And there should be at least 3 hinges on the door. Are the door handles loose and or not working properly? Are the seals around the door that stop the spread of smoke damaged, painted over or missing? If you're a council tenant and have answered yes to any of the above questions, contact the council to report the repair. In addition to the importance of fire doors, it is very important to keep your escape route and communal area clear of any obstructions. If you live in a flat or building with a shared stairwell or corridor, such as our high-rise, low-rise or supported housing schemes, remember to keep them clear for any obstructions and from any fire hazards, including ignition or fuel sources, such as prams, bikes, scooters and any other personal items. If there is a fire, this is your way to escape and need to ensure that that route is kept clear. Our management of communal area policy has recently been through the council's executive. This policy is to set out the approach the council will take to manage the communal areas. Further information and guidance will follow. To report any faults or damage to your fire doors, or if you have any clutter in your communal areas, contact the council on the details shown at the end of this video. Thank you.